So the data model was successfully deployed, and then we can actually pull the du8hi du8hi app. Let's try doing that. Okay, so this should do a UI component sync and will ask you to install some UI libraries from npm. Let's install these. While at it, we also would install React router DOM. Now we will be checking in our code into GitHub. Now check into a new repo, branch dev. If not active, activate the agent. So let's begin by editing git ignore and adding all the SW star things. Then we add these files into the repo. Then we prepare an initial commit. Then we create a repo called figamp sc1 in our GitHub account. It should be a private repo. Add that as remote origin. Push to master. Now let's set up CI/CD connecting a dev branch. Prod will not do it in this screencast. So let's create a new branch dev and push it to the account. Now go to amplify all apps, select the project's hosting environment, GitHub, connect branch, if required, install the GitHub Amplify app, enable CI/CD, let it auto detect settings, use the backend role if not already there, create it, Amplify console backend role, and this will trigger the build. So go here, go to hosting, set up GitHub, connect branch, select the repo you just created, select the dev branch, environment is dev, enable CI/CD, select this role, and trigger the save and deploy, which will trigger the build. Now the build will happen. While the build is happening, app settings, you should set some environment variables. This is so that and whenever you overlay a new schema on top of an old one, the destructive flag will get rid of deprecated tables. Amplify destructive updates true. And the other flag is the app amplify diff backend. This flag makes for faster builds because it ignores the backend phase while building when there are no changes. So let's add the variables. Environment variables. So two environment variables were added. Now we have some rewrite variables to be added too, because when you give deep links of the spa, we need them always to be routed to index HTML. So we need to write 404 and 200 rewrite rules. Four oh four and 200 rewrite rules. So the build is still going on. So we'll pause for now.